Samsung Galaxy S8 Battery Replacement Guide.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy S8 phone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Galaxy S8 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass panel from the chassis. You'll need to disconnect the very short fingerprint reader cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use the spudger to help free the Galaxy S8 fingerprint sensor from the adhesive securing it to the rear glass panel. Remove the falling 14 Phillips screws. Spudge up the antenna assembly that includes the NFC and wireless charging panel. Easily pop out the lower antenna and loudspeaker array. Starting with the battery, disconnect the bevy of cables from the Galaxy S8 motherboard. Use a spudger to detach the daughterboard connector on the underside of the motherboard, then extract it from the Samsung phone. The S8 battery is firmly adhered in place. Use a spudger to muscle it free from the adhesive securing it to the smartphone.
After a brief struggle, out pops the 11.55 watt-hour 3000 mAh Galaxy S8 battery. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.